But I'm gonna do the hit test right quick, and then I'm gonna really talk about what I really want to talk about. You know what I'm saying? So the hit test of the Bermuda Triangle. But I had to put that shit down, cousin. Bermuda Triangle. Hit test. Bermuda Triangle hit test. 10. And this is the highest that I had on my channel. That's a 10 hit scale. Mainly, why I give this a 10 hit rate, you just seeing what happened. You know, I just cut some of that out. Mind you, I was coughing for 2 to 3 minutes, my nigga. I was coughing 2 to 3 minutes. This right here, some GG pack. Some GG pack.